I'm a little bit late to the party, but let's check out this new colorway from Nomad. Let's do it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So before we check out the new colorway from Nomad, I think we need to set the mood in here, don't we? So Siri, make office red. There we go, beautiful, beautiful. So this is the sport case and watch band from Nomad in their new Nightwatch Red. So let's check it out. I think I can speak for a lot of people that Nomad, this is the colour a lot of people have been waiting for. Been waiting for a real bright, vibrant red, and hot damn, look at that. Yep, that's red. And as you can see, I am wearing a matching t-shirt for my beloved Reds of Manchester, because Manchester is red. And this is the perfect colour scheme because look at this, red and black, lovely, absolutely lovely. So we've got that lovely bumper with Nomad's branding, lovely microfiber lining on the inside, those metal buttons, which I still maintain are some of the best metal buttons I have seen on cases this year. First, let's just quickly weigh it. So it weighs in at 42 grams. So let's just pop the phone in like so. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Michael, you're picking up the red and you know, your team's red and you're all about the red, but why's your iPhone blue? Well, I'll tell you, because Apple don't make a red iPhone Pro. That's why. They really should, just saying. So there we go. So there's the sport case. So if you are familiar with the channel, you will know sport case. It's really shiny plastic. We've got those matte bumpers, which are quite grippy. Our metal buttons, which are real clicky and tactile. The action button then as well, first class. On the bottom then we have our cutouts for the USB-C and our speaker holes, which is great. And yeah, it's a fantastic case. If we just try the fitment test, we give that a twist. The phone does not move, it is secure. Whoa, nearly a bit too secure. But it is secure in there, it is not going to move, which is what you want to see. Screen lip, the lip is a minimal lip, but it does come up over the entire display, so it is consistent. You set that down flat, it's not going to let that screen touch the surface, it's not going to rub the surface. That's what you want to see. And then the camera guard, the lenses don't protrude out, so if you set that down flat, it's not going to rough up those lenses. That's what you want. First class. And that's how it looks with the blue lenses. And you know what? I don't think it looks bad. I think it looks pretty good. I am not mad at that at all. MagSafe case as well. So as always, we can just check this. And ooh. That's pretty decent actually. I think that's a little bit stronger than the first sport case I got. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Nomad, have you been tweaking? Have you been tweaking? You put a little bit wee bit more magnet strength in there. That's really nice. That is really, really nice. And you know what? If you are like me, and I do like to have matchy color, so it is only fitting that if I just set the iPhone there, it is only fitting that we check this out. So this is the sport band with the matching red color. And yeah, been waiting for this. I have been waiting for this. So I do like to have a matching case and a matching watch band. So it's my OCD. So there you go. There is the red. And it is very, very nice. Now it is a matte color. It's like a matte red. And it will, the more you wear it, you know, it will get a little bit of shine to it. You know, but it is very, very nice. And I've always maintained the sport band from Nomad is one of the best sport bands you can get for your Apple Watch. So yeah, that is really, really good. And look at that, like, how good does that look? It's so nice. that is pretty much it. It's a very, very short video. You know the score, you know the cases, you know the band, so that is pretty much it. If you're looking to pick any of these up, I will leave you links in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money, so if you want to get your red on, let's do it. That about wraps up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep a look at the channel. I have a lot more content coming in the coming months, so stay tuned. I've got some special stuff lined up. And if you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessories, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.